Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to see about the GitHub, like all we are the technical persons, and it's always important to see about the GitHub, like how GitHub is helping in our day-to-day life in the code commits and the central repository part. So, being as a technical person, it's always important to have knowledge of the GitHub. And first of all, the important part is to have a GitHub account. If anyone don't have, you can just quickly create your GitHub account. It's free of charge creating your GitHub account, and it's a simple process too. And you can just follow me on your GitHub, like you can just search for the Chain Devkar, and I will be there, and you can just see my profile over here. So let me talk about why we are just using the GitHub, because GitHub is all about open source contribution, open source repositories, where anyone can come and contribute into your repositories. And if they find something, if you want something to be improved, if you want something, someone can contribute into your repository. Like we have a different types of repository. We have different types of projects. We have, like, suppose I have this project, Django nodes app project. So I just want anyone can comes up if they want to use this particular project, and they can just pull and push this project according to your requirements. If they want certain things to be made changes, so they can do from this GitHub. Like I don't have my code into the local repository. I have just pushed into the GitHub. So it's a central repository where everyone and from anywhere they can just use this project, and just they can pull and they can use all those parts. So for using this Git and from the CLI part, you just need to download the Git bash. It's freely available. Just go and just download the Git bash. Download, okay, for the Windows, or if you are using the Mac, just go and download this Git bash part. So as I already have this Git bash part, and if you want to check if our GitHub it's downloaded or not, so you can just quickly go on the CMD also, like it's command prompt, or else you can use the git bash also. Let me quickly check you the both parts. Like we have a git hyphen version. So git hyphen version. So yeah, from CMD my git has been downloaded successfully. And if I want to check with the git bash, like whenever you right click and you will get option use git UI and open git bash over here. So I'm just we use the git bash for the login also, like for the SSH also, and for the multi purposes we use this git bash. And if you want to check this is git is installed or not, same git version. So my git has been successfully installed. So now what is the concept behind why we are using this git? Like first of all, these questions come into the mind, why we are just using the git. Only we are uploading projects, not about the uploading projects. Suppose we have this part, and this is the center repository, and this is the projects. Okay, this is one of the biggest project, and it have several domains. Like we have front end, we have back end, we have DevOps, we have cloud. They are the different services we have. So everyone can't get everyone not using those particular services. Okay, so here is the A user, and A user has just he had just pulled the code. Okay, he has just push and pull the code from here, and as he has made changes, like suppose we have x is equals to 5, and he has just made the changes to the x is equals to 6, and he has just pushed to the code to the central repository. Now the B user can work on that particular changes made by the A person. So like this we have a different things. It's a central repository where everyone are using the changes made by the person. In the GitHub, like we have a different branches also. We have master branch, we have we can get different branches also. So like this particular person have its own default branch, this person will have a own default one, where they are just pushing their code, and after the pushing their code, and this person are using their code back. Alright, so these are the certain steps, and we'll look about how we gonna clone and how to pull and push from the GitHub repository in upcoming videos. Alright guys, thank you so much. If you have any quick queries, you can ask me in comment section, and please like and share it and subscribe to my video. Alright, thank you guys.